Hey explorers, welcome back. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into one of the most mysterious and breathtaking landscapes on Earth, the Sahara Desert. Join me as we unravel the secrets and marvel at the wonders that make the Sahara an enigma. Let's dive into the details. First things first, did you know that the Sahara is not just any desert? It's the largest hot desert in the world, spanning across North Africa. But what makes it truly mysterious is not just its size, but the tales hidden within its vast expanse. Deep within the Sahara, scattered amidst the dunes, lie ancient treasures, rock art that tells the tales of civilizations long gone. These intricate carvings and paintings date back thousands of years, providing a glimpse into the lives of ancient people who once thrived in this seemingly desolate landscape. Now, let's talk about the mesmerizing sand dunes. The Sahara is home to some of the world's tallest dunes, reaching heights of over 500 feet. But here's the mystery. These dunes don't just stand still, they move. The shifting sands create an ever-changing landscape that baffles scientists and captivates the imagination. Have you heard about the desert's jewels? Deep in the Libyan Desert Glass area, there's a phenomenon known as Libyan Desert Glass. These golden yellow pieces of glass, scattered across the sands, are believed to be the result of a meteorite impact. The mystery lies in the age-old question: how did this glass come to be, and what secrets does it hold? Picture this, an expanse of the Sahara adorned with mysterious lines and shapes visible only from above. These geoglyphs, similar to the Nazca lines in Peru, have puzzled researchers. Who created them, and what purpose did they serve? The answers remain elusive. Now, here's a real head-scratcher. Beneath the seemingly arid surface, there's a hidden world of aquifers, underground reservoirs of water. How did they form, and how vast is this underground water network? The mysteries of the Sahara's aquifers continue to puzzle scientists. And there you have it. The mysteries of the Sahara Desert, a vast tapestry of enigmas waiting to be unraveled. From ancient rock art to moving sand dunes, Libyan desert glass, mysterious geoglyphs and hidden aquifers, the Sahara holds secrets that challenge our understanding of this magnificent desert. If you found this journey through the mysteries of the Sahara intriguing, hit the like button, subscribe for more explorations, and share your thoughts on the Sahara's mysteries in the comments below. Until our next adventure, stay curious.